Well, good afternoon, everybody. Today's Friday afternoon, and I've done a lot of videos on other people's bikes over the past, and probably did a video or two on my Road King, but I thought I was a little bored and thought I'd go over my personal Road King. It's a 2019 Road King Special that I bought brand new. It had 2 miles on it, I think, maybe. And I've owned it ever since. This is 2025, so that's about 6 years. Not many miles on it. Oh, let's see. I think it's probably got, let's click through here, 6,900 miles. And a couple things I did to the bike was the rims and tires. They're both 18 by 5.5. The front tires are 180 with the fat tire kit. The rims are from Southern Machine. Really nice looking wheels. Good quality wheels. The front end's factory blacked out. The windshield I got and ordered from, I think it was a 2014 Road King CVO. I like the way that little windshield looked. It was short, sporty. It keeps just enough air off of your chest so that you don't get fatigued when you ride. We put 14-inch KST ape hangers on it and little removable phone mount there. It has the Performance Machine grips, and the levers are done with paracord. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. There you go. There we go. Done with paracord. It's a little hobby of mine. All right, and then the paint was done by Scott, who now works for Burt's Barracuda as their in-house painter. This is one of the paint jobs he did for me. He's done many paint jobs over the years. This is candy colors with a flat clear. And as you can see, there's some drop shadows here and there. Did a real good job on it. It has a 114 engine. Got the clear clutch cover on it. Custom seat. This is an actual Dixon shirt that I had an upholsterer take off. I literally took it off and handed it to them, and they created this seat for me. The Speedo has been changed out. It's a Coso, basically a tachometer with a digital Speedo. Gives you a lot of information. I really like that addition to the bike. It has a set of bullies on it. I used to own the SVT Bone Shaker Company, and bullies was one of our lines that we had. It has the 483 cam. It has Bassani 212 headers, a ThunderMax. It's been lowered. The suspension's been lowered 2 inches front and rear. But you can see how this paint just glows in the light. LED lights all around. Let me turn it on here. One of the things I used was Street Glide turn signals. As you can see here, Street Glide turn signals on it. Also put the Road Glide switch housings on the handlebars. Drop down mirror. We called this one Stimulated back in, what was it, 18 or 19, when the government gave out checks, stimulus checks. Well, this bike got stimulated. That's how the paint job came around, stimulating the economy. So that's the Road King that I own. I'm very proud of it. It's probably the best bike I've ever owned. It rides beautifully, real stable, really strong, really powerful, and it sounds like a monster. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.